Let's visualize global and local extrema. So if we're looking at the function in a closed interval from a to b, we can observe that there's a global maximum or an absolute maximum. So all the function values are less than this value. And we also have a global minimum at a because all the values of the function are greater than this value in that interval. So that means we have a local minimum here. And because we have a critical point where there's a horizontal tangent at C, then this global maximum is also a local maximum. So in other words, all local extrema, which are also referred to as relative extrema, occur at critical points. And as we can see, not all critical points are global extrema. So in other words, this critical point is a local minimum, and this is the global minimum.